The use of date selection and manifestation are essential parts of my monthly Outlook videos. I will explain the concept about it in a bit more detail and show you how you can use it to reach your goals. The central point of an Outlook video is energy. Qi, or energy, is the life force that exists in everything in the universe. Without it, no life could be possible. It influences our own energy level, health, well-being, and emotions, our creativity, productivity, and ability to perform certain actions. In summary, energy has a big influence on all aspects of our life. Energy is not constant. It flows and changes all the time. So there are different energy patterns every year, each month and day, even each hour. Chinese Metaphysics is a great tool to analyze these energies and use them to improve our life and achieve our goals. Chinese Metaphysics is an old Chinese science that studies time, space, and events. It is used since ancient time for predictions and forecasting, as well as forming strategies to pursue certain goals. For example, the Art of War from Sun Tzu is based on Chinese metaphysics. The art of date selection is one system of Chinese metaphysics, which supports our wish to do the right thing at the right time. Date selection makes use of special energies of each day to perform certain activities that support a certain goal or desired outcome. Especially in Asia, it has been a common practice since ancient time to support the success of important events. Until today, it is used widely for the selection of marriage dates and the best date to sign business deals or open a new business. Many Fortune 500 companies around the world use the technique of date selection for their success. Now we talked about that using the right time for the right activities can make a big difference in the outcome. Let me add on one more layer. Energy doesn't only change over time. It is also different in the different directions. A different energy pattern exists in each of 8 cardinal directions at any given point in the time. So, right now, the energy in the north is different from the energy in the south, or in the northwest, and so on. I will explain how you can use this later. First, I want to introduce you to concept of manifestation. Manifestation is the achievement of our goals or wishes in life through attraction and belief. It's kind of like making a wish come true. The tool to use for this is meditation. Meditation is one of the best ways to connect to universal energy and make use of that energy. We can use this universal energy connection also for manifestation. In the meditative state, you can connect to your goals through visualization, feeling, and belief. So, manifestation starts in the energy state and then transforms into reality. However, First, you need clarity about your goal or wish. What exactly do you want? Once you are clear, get yourself into a meditative state and then imagine or visualize your goal. See and feel yourself throughout the process and see yourself achieving your goal in the end. What do you need to do to reach it? Is there anything you need help with? You can ask the universe for help. Important is to see yourself reach your goal and feel how it will feel when you achieve it. This is the belief in yourself and the right energy you will install through manifestation. The practice of manifestation becomes even more powerful if you perform it using the right direction. This is where the different cardinal directions comes into play. Sitting with your back to a certain direction will give your manifestation an extra energy boost. You might ask, why the back? On the back of your head, there is a so-called spiritual gate point. It is located base of your skull, top of your spine. It is located right this point. This point is kind of energy portal that gives you a better connection to universe energy. It's like using Bluetooth for data transfer or having a stronger Wi-Fi signal. I will give you one example of how to do a manifestation. Let's say your goal is to lose weight. First, your goal needs to be clear and detailed. Why do you want to lose weight? And what does losing weight mean to you? Do you want to lose 10 kilo? Or just 2-3 kilo? Or do you want to fit into a certain size of clothes? Or feel comfortable wearing a bikini? Or do you want to lose weight and have a six-pack? You need to have clarity first. Now sit down and start to meditate. Once you are in a meditative state, manifest your weight loss. Visualize the process. How you are maintaining a healthy diet. How you are doing regular exercise. Determine what you might need help with. Finding the right motivation or discipline. Finding someone who can help or guide you in the process. Trainer, coach, mentor, or training buddy. You can ask the universe for helping in finding what you need to reach your goal. At the end, visualize how you will look when you lost the desired weight. Feel how you will feel with all these shed kilos. You can do the manifestation every day. The more, the better. But using special dates and corresponding directions will add more strength to it. I hope this video will help you understand the concept of day selection and manifestation better and use the monthly outlook videos in the most beneficial way. If you have any questions, you can always drop me a comment below or on my Instagram. And don't forget to like and subscribe.